Okay, just 8 right now. Let's wait for 1 more minute. You can take out your books. We didn't complete reading from the book, and I told you to read at home. Did you all read at home? Did you all revise Unit 7 from book, activity book? Yes, girls. Girls, keep your camera also turned on so that I can see you are there. Keep your cameras turned on. And who were the ones who couldn't read on Monday?
Teacher, I couldn't read my.
Please raise your hand. The ones who couldn't read on Monday, only few girls were left. We will start reading from page 98. We read till this page, and we are going to start reading from page 98 now. Only few pages are left reading, and only few girls are left. Okay, Mariam, Maham Rehan. Yes, Maham. Different types of environment. Yes, beta. Maham. Nawal Imran.
Sorry, teacher, my mic was muted.
Oh, okay. Nawal, be
Different
ready
types
after
of
Maham, okay?
environment. Why are
Assalamualaikum
different
teacher.
kinds of organisms
Walaikum
found
salam.
in different environments? The characteristics of the environment in each habitat are rather unique. The environment must be able to meet the needs of the organisms that live in it. Each type
Assalamualaikum
of
teacher.
environment
Walaikum
supports
salam.
specific kinds of organisms. Bodies of water such as ponds, rivers, and oceans support organisms that can take in oxygen that is dissolved in water. Most aquatic animals live in water. Some aquatic animals are unable to live out. On the other hand, animals that live on land can only take in gaseous oxygen from the air in their environment. Fish
Fish
cannot
cannot.
live when taken out of water. You and Zoe take in gaseous oxygen from air. Flash that the Earth has many types of habitats. Explore generate possibilities. Whales and dolphins breathe air but live in the ocean. How are they able to survive in that environment?
Because they are mammals and they jump out of the water to breathe in air. Okay, Nawal. Yes, Nawal.
Yes,
Read this
teacher.
white part, okay?
Many, yes, teacher. Many plants and animals are found in environments with abundant sunlight. Plants need sunlight to make food, so plants grow well in environments that receive a lot of light. Animals need sunlight to keep their bodies warm. This allows them to carry out their daily activities.
Okay, next. Tara Ali.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, better read this black part.
Some animals do not like to stay in the light. They live in dark places. Bats are found in dark caves. They stay in the caves during the day. They fly out to look for food at night. Woodlice avoid light because they are sensitive to it. They are found it in the soil under rotting leaves and dead tree bark.
Okay. Sayyida Abiha.
Teacher.
Yes, better read this white part. A desert.
And
Your voice is not coming, beta.
can you hear me now?
Yes.
A desert has very high temperatures and receives very little rainfall. Only organisms that can tolerate the
Tolerate.
heat and lack of water are able to live there. The camel and the needlegrass are examples of organisms found in deserts. Camel can drink more than 100 liters of water at one time. By doing this, they can travel long distance without drinking any water. The needlegrass has long roots that can reach deep underground for water. Cactus has a thick stem.
Yes, because cactus, they are also in the desert. That's how they don't lose much water in such a heat. And Anusha Faraz. Yes, Anusha. In habitats near the
In habitats near the North and South poles, it is cold all year round. To survive the cold, many animals living in the Antarctic have a thick layer of hair or fur. A layer of fat under the skin also keeps them warm. Organisms that are unable to live in extremely cold temperatures cannot survive there. The polar bear and seal are examples of animals that are found there. That's cool. When the surface of the ocean freezes, Weddell seals, which are found underwater, have to bite through the ice to create air holes for breathing.
okay. Is this the last page of your chapter? On your side also?
Yes,
Please
teacher.
turn
Yes.
and check. Okay, good.
Yes.
Let's go ahead and revise from the worksheet. Okay, you can do the worksheet later. Okay, right now just keep giving answers.
Teacher, I didn't got a chance to read.
Yes, I am going to give you a chance. Amina Asim.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, better read the question.
Arrange the following into the in living biotic and non-living abiotic com- amount of
Component.
the environment.
Okay. Uh, what's your name again? Amina. Okay, Amina, you are going to read these words one by one, and they all are going to tell whether it's a living thing, living thing, or a non-living thing. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, better read the word.
Light vegetables.
No, no, one by one. Light. Yes, girls, light. Is it a biotic
Non-living
environment or
things. Non-living. Non
non-living things? Yes, next word.
vegetables.
Vegetables. Yes, girls. Come on,
Non-living.
everybody, quick
Non-living.
answers.
Non-living. Non
Vegetables.
living things.
Living things. They are living things. Vegetables and fruits. Living things.
Humans. Living things. Living things.
Lion.
Living living things. Living things. Birds. Living things. Sun. Non-living. Non-living things. Non-living. Insects. Living things. Living things.
Thing,
Worms.
living
Living things. Water. Non-living. Non-living things.
thing,
Soil. Non-living. Living
Non.
things.
living thing.
Okay, read the next page also. Next question, natural resources.
Natural resources. Natural resources are things that can come from our environment. There are two types of natural resources: Rem- renewable resources and non-renewable resources.
Read these.
Renewable resources, the resources that may replace naturally by environment or by man. Not renewable sources, a natural resource that is being consumed faster than natural earth process can replace them.
Okay. Yes, girls, what are the few examples of renewable resources? that can be replaced naturally. What are some examples of renewable sources? Yes, girls. Anyone?
Soil and water.
Okay, yes. What else? Yes, think. What are non-renewable resources that are finishing up very quickly because we are using all of those resources and they will finish one day? Somebody said
Fossil fuels like
gas,
oil,
yes, coal, gas, oil,
water,
water.
Trees.
No, we can plant more and more trees. That is renewable resource. Growing more plants again and again, that is renewable resource. Air is renewable resource, soil and water, all of these are renewable resource. We can renew them again and again. we can we can get them. But non-renewable resources are food, fuels, all type of fuels, oil, coal, gas, building materials, beauty, and any other answers. You write fuels separately. Yes, in this question you can write the fuels separately also in non-renewable resources. Instead of writing just fuels, you could write 3 points: oil, coal, gas, 3 points separately. Okay, encircle the best answer. I uploaded the answer key also for your worksheet. Okay, who is next? Hiba. Hiba Nadeem.
Teacher, it's Hafsa Nadeem.
Is it Hafsa? Yes, it's
Yes.
Hafsa. I'm so sorry, Hafsa. Yes, better read question two. Everybody, you're supposed to give answers, okay?
Different plants and animals live in different or same parts of the seashore.
Yes, girls.
Different.
Different plants and animals live in different parts of the seashores. Next, number two.
Organisms that feed on plants only are called omnivores or herbivores.
Yes,
Herbivores.
girls.
Herbivores. Herbivores.
Herbivores. Number three.
Air is renewable or non-renewable resource.
Renewable. Renewable.
Renewable.
Soil is made up of topmost or core of the earth.
Topmost. Topmost.
Topmost.
Earthworms waste makes the soil less fertile or more fertile.
More fertile. More fertile.
More fertile.
An animal that hunts and feeds on other animals is called a predator or prey.
Yes, girls.
Prey. Predator.
Anybody else? Yes. I heard only
Prey.
one answer.
Predator.
Predator. An animal that hunts and feeds on the other animal is called a predator. Okay, number seven.
Fossil fuels are formed from alive or dead organisms.
Dead.
Yes, dead
Dead.
organisms.
dead,
Yes.
When animals respire, they give out oxygen or carbon dioxide.
Oxygen.
When
oxygen,
animals, and we are not talking about plants,
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. Yes. Okay, identify the habitats. What kind of habitat is it?
Marine life.
and
Marine life, or you can say aquatic environment, marine life, or sea life. All of you can use all of these words. What about the second one? What is it?
Forest life. Forest life. Tropical life.
Identify the habitats. Forest. Yes, you can say forest. You can say garden.
Ge-
Teacher, can
What?
I write oceans in the first one?
Yes, you can. Ocean habitat. Okay, what about this picture? These bugs living under the leaves. What kind of habitat is it? It is a habitat. So what kind of habitat is it? What would you say? This habitat has a name which is leaf litter habitat. What is the name of this kind of habitat?
Leaf filter habitat.
Because these insects are hiding under the leaves because they are sensitive to the light. Okay, what is the next habitat?
Desert habitat.
Desert. This one,
Habitat.
these habitats were too simple, but please do not make any mistakes, okay? Memorize all of these.
Yes,
And you can
teacher.
do this worksheet later in your copy. If you want to take out the print, you can take out the print also. Answer key is also uploaded, okay? With today's date, there is an empty sheet first. This is the empty one you can download. And same with today's date, there is the answer sheet also. It's written at the top. Unit 7 review sheet, answer key. So you can find these worksheets anytime you want, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Let me You need to revise question answers also. Not revise, you need to learn question answers also. Just a second, I'll share my screen again if I can find question answers. Have you written question answers in your copy? Who has the copy near them?
Teacher, me. Teacher, I
Yes.
have.
Okay, I also found question answers. Yes, I found question answers. Let's revise question answers from the screen. Tuba? Yes, Tuba, can you can you read these question answers for us?
One, what makes up our environment? Answer.
Living
What
things and
makes up our
non-living
environment?
things of our environment.
Yes,
Living
girl.
things and
Living
Living
things
things
and
and
non-living.
non-living
non-living
things
things
that
make up
make
our
up our
environment.
environment.
Yes. Yes, Tuba, read the next question.
Question 2. What resources can we get from the environment?
We
Resources
can
means the
get
things that we
resources
use.
such
Water
as air,
resources
soil,
such as
water,
air,
food,
soil,
and
water,
natural oil
soil
and
fuels,
that
food, oil,
beauty.
and natural gas, building materials, and beauty.
Yes, Tuba, can you read the answer again one more time?
We can get resources such as air, soil, water, food, fuels, coal, oil, and natural gases, building materials, and beauty.
Yes. Question 3. Yes, Tuba.
What are different kinds of items found in different environments?
The characteristics
The
of the environment of
characteristics of the environment of
Some
each
are
habitat are
unique, like
unique. The
microorganisms,
environment has structures that
organisms,
use
and
that
non-organisms
organism in
to be
order
able
air.
for
to
the
live
organism
there.
to be able to live there.
Okay, read one more time, Tuba.
Characteristics of the environment of each habitat are unique. Meet the needs of an organism in order for the organism to be able to live there.
Okay. You need to memorize the glossary. Do you memorize the whole meanings from the glossary words? Did you mark the glossary words for this chapter?
Yes,
Because
teacher.
Yes.
glossary words
Yes.
are so many, and you need to mark few of them. So please check if you marked all of these glossary words.
Okay, teacher.
Alloy, carnivores, environment, fossil fuels, herbivores, natural resources, omnivores, predator, prey, refineries, and respiration. 11 words. Let's see if we have. Uh, I don't have self-check page over here on the screen. If anybody has, please raise your hand. I think you all have it, so I will pick anyone. Minahil Farhan,
Yes, teacher.
yes, please. Read the self check for us, all of the fill in the blanks, okay?
Teacher, I have to read all the self check.
All of it, yes. How many sentences are there?
Um, 1 second, teacher.
11.
Okay. Yes, Minahil, start reading and read loudly so that everybody can hear.
Teacher, can I also
Yes.
read Charali?
What happened? Minahil, your voice is not coming. I think you are talking, but there is no voice.
Teacher, can I read Charali?
Teacher, now can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you. And Sarah, wait a second, I'll also give you a chance. Yes, Minahil?
Teacher, I cannot hear you.
Minahil, I think you are having internet problem. Okay, Zainab, read the first five sentences for us. Sarah Ali, read the first five sentences for us.
Yes, teacher. Our dash is made up of living and non-living things that affect our lives, environment. The basic nature dash that we can get from the earth or air, soil, water, food, fuel, building materials, and beauty. Resources. Organisms need air for dash, respiration. Plants and animals depend on dash for oxygen and carbon dioxide. Natural resources. Soil dash plants to the ground and contains water and dash that are important for plant growth. Anchors minerals.
Anchors.
Anchors minerals.
Okay, read the others also.
Animals need drinking water to dash and plants take in minerals that are dissolved in dash. Survive water.
Yes,
Plants and animals provide dash for other organisms. Food.
food.
Fuels such as wood, coal, oil, and natural gas provide heat and dash when burned.
Heat,
Energy.
heat and energy, yes.
Natural dash from the environment include wood and metals. Building materials. Different types of environments support dash kinds of organisms. Different natural resources dash environment. Beautify.
Beautify. Okay. Thank you so much. Girls, keep revising. Revise this unit again, okay? From activity book, from copy, and from worksheet. Revise each and everything again and learn this chapter over the weekend, okay? And I'll see you later. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz,
Language
teacher.
teacher.
Allah Hafiz, beta.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Office teacher.
Allah Hafiz.